Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this DTI tutorial, I'm going to serve a budget-friendly yet fabulous graduation outfits in DTI. So this non-VIP look brings the perfect mix of chic, classy, and celebratory vibe so you can walk the DTI stage like the star you are. So if you want to know how to create this look, let me show you the steps. So first for the hair, I'm using this long hair and also this updo here and color it black. And now for the outfit, first I'm going to put on this dress from the hijabi set, color it all black and change the material into light silk. Then you can go in here, and for the shoe I'm going to use this heels and change the color using this gold color, toggle it into even higher and make the material silk. So the shoe will look like this. Now let's go in here, and I'm going to put on this scarf, color it gold like the shoe and make it metallic. And I'm going to also put on this necklace in here, use the same golden color. And for the graduation hat, I'm going to use, let's put on the earring first. I'm going to use this Barrett hat, change the color into black, and I'm going to use the adjustment feature. So I'm going to make it a little bit bigger like this and adjust the rotate. So I'm going to make it a little bit rocket like this and adjust the position again, so like this. Now you can just go to the dressing room, and first I'm going to put on this dress from the Currency tabs, toggle it into skirt and change the first color into black in light silk, and the second one gold in metallic, and the last one black. And now we can go to this tab in here and put on this one, change the first color into black and make it light silk, and next just change into the gold color like this. And then I'm going to put on sleeves from this dress, toggle it into only sleeve and change the color into all black. Don't forget to also change the material into light silk. And that's it. Now this is the final look of graduation outfits in DTI. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.